Today we have a guest star for lesson 4, and we'll begin now.
Welcome to my show. Today you're going to cut out these little sections, and this is going to be your review questions. So let's get started. Okay, the first section is identifying proportions. A proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equivalent. Two quantities that form a proportion are proportional. Okay, this proportion is read 3:5 as 6:10. Now these are two examples that have been worked out already. Now you're going to solve these problems and you may pause the video. Pause. Okay, second section, ratios and rates. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. A rate is a ratio of two quantities with different units. A rate with a denominator of 1 is called a unit rate. Now again, these are two problems that have been worked out already. And go ahead and solve these three problems and you may pause the video. Pause. The third section is solving proportions. So cross products property says that if the cross products of a proportion are equal. So if I cross multiply like that, they should be equal to the other cross multiplication product. Did I say it right? Okay, so here's an example. Number 1, if I do cross multiplication here, 3 times 6, and I do cross multiplication diagonally here, 4 times n, and I combine them or like simplify them. 3 times 6, 18, 4 times m, 4m. Find the m by dividing and you find your solution. Now go ahead and solve these 4 problems on your own and you may pause the video. Last section, writing proportions. How to write a proportion. To write a proportion, you set one ratio equal to another ratio. This is an example that have already been solved for you, and you may work on these last 3 problems on your own. Thank you for joining me today, guys. It's been a pleasure being your teacher. Come again.